So much room for activities! Oh, okay. Hello and welcome to my bedroom. My name is Lexi. I'm an actor, former model, and current electrician, and today I'm moving into this... Oh baby, you can come in. I'm moving into this 220 square foot bedroom. For those who watched my last video, you'll see I was living in a studio apartment that was about 250 square feet for the last year and a half. And then my landlord was like, hey, there's a bedroom on the same floor that you rent your studio that I live in, and I want to move upstairs to be more with like the rest of my house. So do you want to take over the entire basement? And I was like, yes, Mom, I will. So I'll be keeping my living room and dining room in the other studio, and then I'll be using this bedroom as my bedroom. So let's talk about the vision. Since this is such a large space, I am thinking of splitting this into sort of two zones. This zone where the chaise lounge is currently is the perfect setup for my bed. For the bed area, I was leaning into a wabi sabi or modern organic style with lots of warm natural tones and natural fibers. This was the photo that had me in a chokehold. Alexander Gator is an incredible YouTuber who does amazing makeovers, and this video was a huge inspiration behind my style. And then for this end of the room, I'm envisioning putting the chaise lounge, getting a little carpet, and making this my sort of office slash library slash book nook. The one thing about this place is I cannot paint. Oh, and one last thing. I went a little buck wild when I was doing my studio because I had to buy a lot of new pieces. I gave myself a budget of $1,000, so that means I'm gonna have to spend a lot of time thrifting and Facebook marketplacing and DIYing whenever I can. Oh no, I have to go thrifting. No. Okay, well. Okay.
What's going on, Farah?
That was very unsatisfying.
I was just gonna go bloop.
Do you have a duvet cover?
I've got that nice one that is at the bottom. Goes the other way, but it doesn't matter.
What? Go the other way.
This is the first duvet cover I had when
Oh, I know that one. I mean,
it's got the green.
you know what? Sure, let's try it. I thought that this stripe was the way it was. Do you have a technique?
For putting it on?
Yeah.
A little bit. You want to put it on?
Yeah.
Do we hang it on the line and let it,
It's a little musty.
just let it air
Okay.
in the
So,
wind?
I don't trust any of those doggies. We're gonna put a little cover on. How's that sound, Blue? I know, as soon as I leave this room, you're gonna be right up on the bed.
Are you happy now? Is this your new favorite spot?
So this is it. This is all the furniture that I already owned, and it's looking pretty bare. So I'm really excited to keep thrifting, keep DIYing. We're gonna elevate this space, don't you worry. So I think I'm done for tonight, mainly because I'm hungry, mainly because I'm tired, and mainly because I'm reading Kingdom of Ash right now, and it is so good, but also really sad. I need to know what happened. I'm worried. Okay, let's go shopping. So I got off work early today and wanted to make good use of my time. So I found 2 dressers off of Facebook Marketplace. I do have to assemble them. And then I went to one thrift store, walking in, manifesting finding a really cool piece of art for over my bed. And girl, I found it. Here's a little sneak peek. It's so pretty. I had this rug in my other room and I really like this rug, but it does not go with my gold yellow couch. But I didn't want to get rid of it. And trying it out in this little office nook, I like it. And then I found this really awesome, beautiful teak wood desk that's gonna go in the little office area.
Hey, Bob! Shut up! Go.
Two things I've not been able to find while thrifting or marketplacing is sconces and area rugs. So I'm coming to my local hardware store to try and find exactly those things. Do I just go simple, boho, or bold? So this back wall is looking a little dull. I want to make some sort of accent wall, but I'm not supposed to paint. However, I got permission from my landlord mother to do a bit of an accent wall featuring the similar colors that are already on the wall. I really love the look of a lime wash accent wall, but I can't find lime wash, so I'm going to DIY a lime wash, faux lime wash wall. Oh, and I'm going to change these sconces too. Nope. 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 Found it. Not the ground just immediately falling off. That's funny. I'm wire netting these off because I want to turn the breaker back on so I get a little bit of light in here when I'm painting. So that's fine. Also, if you're an electrician or an apprentice or have nothing to do with electrical but are just curious, I always take a picture before I disassemble something so that when I reassemble it, I know exactly what I'm doing. Luckily for this one, it's pretty easy. White on white, black on black, ground on ground. Not much to it. I need some painting clothes. God damn it, I totally forgot to do the transition. No! To make faux lime wash, you need your base color, this is the color that's already on the walls. And then you need a color either a couple shades brighter or a couple shades darker. So I'm gonna take this color, mix it with some Simply White to make a lighter shade because I want to brighten up the space. So if I can make it lighter at all possible, then I will. Good. Look at this. Why is this? Oh, it's too short. There's not much left of this, so I'm just gonna mix it directly in here. So now that we've got a slightly lighter version of this same color, oh, I already have paint on me. A little bit of one shade, and then a little bit of another shade, the lighter shade. And then using a big fluffy brush, you get like a little combo of both. And then you do, I've heard the like more chaotic the better, which that speaks my language. If you're feeling really unmotivated to paint because you don't want it to be perfect and it's really annoying to get it perfect, this is your method. This was fun. I enjoyed the hell out of that. I want to keep going, but I kind of want to let it dry maybe a little bit and see if I need to add like darker or lighter to any sort of spot, but fun. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to pop open my sconces that I bought that are so pretty. I'm gonna be impatient. I want to install them tonight. It's just who I am. Look at these things. cool. These are gonna look so good. Especially with that cool wall in the back. Ooh, it's giving cozy. It's giving organic modern. It's giving, why isn't this tight? It's giving. So there's a green Robbie on one and a red Robbie on the other. I feel like my dad probably did this, so I can't give it too much crap. Always dropping shit. Before we get it tight, we're gonna level it. So for those that do not know, I am an electrician. I'm a Red Seal construction electrician, but I just recently, 2 years ago, shifted into marine. So I'm a little out of practice when it comes to not marine, life, regular construction. Regular construction. How's it going? What's it like in the world right now? Is it weird? Is it fun? What do you specialize in? What's your favorite part of the day? I just have a lot of questions. Just want to know what you guys are up to. And for those who are asking me if I can hire them and get them a job, while I appreciate the hustle, the answer is no, I can't. I can't get you a job. I work for an organization that doesn't hire very often, and I am not in charge of it at all. In fact, even though I am a Red Seal journey person, I am still considered an apprentice at my job because I switched into marine. So they classify their hours differently. So Red Seal construction electrician, apprentice, marine electrician. So I'm gonna be a freaking apprentice for like, all in all, when I'm done, 7, 8 years. It's gonna be a long fucking apprenticeship. I just spent probably close to, what time is it? Well, that was a really long, productive day, getting the garage sale ready and getting my room ready at the same time. So tomorrow's the garage sale. I'm hoping to pick up some last minute decor items and maybe go to HomeSense and get a rug, just some final touches for what I need for my room. And then Sunday, I think it's gonna be reveal day. Who am I revealing to? Myself? Sunday, I'm going to film the final reveal to you guys. On a fit, baby! You want to see this one first? Yes. Easy. I like it. Blue, get off. Get off. Get off. Blue,
That
you.
one kind of blends in, and this one has more of a contrast.
Yes. Nice. Ooh, yeah, this one feels nice too. I thought it would feel worse.
And that little poofy kind of goes with this, and it also goes with that top rug.
The rug has been chosen. There's not much left to do. Dare I say it? It's time for finishing touches. What do you guys think? Do we like the new rug? I'm gonna go with yes. So that is it. That is officially my room reveal. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed doing it. Make sure to stay tuned for my next project, which is going to be the laundry room that separates my living room from now my beautiful oasis bedroom. It's looking a little scary, so we're gonna give her a facelift. I'm also planning on renovating my kitchen in the near future and doing my flooring in my living room / dining room, so stay tuned for that too. And in order to stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications because I post very erratically. So make sure you're doing all the things so that you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye. Why did I do that? Bye.
Hey, bye!